So this video is a video about the standard algorithm for multiplication. It's a standard for 5th grade. It's the method that most of us learned when we were going to school. I know I did. So as a 5th grader, this is their standard. As a 4th grader, they learn how to do the area model, distributive property, and multiplying with partial products. So in 5th grade, our job is to teach them the standard algorithm, and this is how you do 2, 3, 4, or 5 digits times 1 digit. So for example, on this first one here, we start with the number at the bottom and we multiply it by the number in the ones place. 4 times 6 is 24. We put the 4 here and carry the 2. I go then 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 2 makes 6. And 4 times 5 is 20. So my answer for this would be 2064. The book also asks them to estimate, and they're estimating basically to check their answer, to see if their answer is reasonable. So for this problem, I would round 516. So you're kind of guessing what is 516 about. It's about 500. If I were to multiply that times 4, I'm able to do that in my head. That would be 2,000. And we're trying to get them to just check to see if their answer that they got is reasonable. 2,000 is definitely close to 2064. For our second one, same thing, but with 4 digits. We are starting with 8 times 6. 8 times 6 is 48. Put an 8, carry a 4. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 4 makes 60. Put a 0, regroup the 6. This is where they kind of get stuck sometimes. I'm multiplying 8 times 0. 8 times 0 is 0, and I add 6 to that, and I get 6. 8 times 3, 24. So my answer would be 24,608. Now this is actually the algorithm, this piece here. The estimating piece is just a basic checking piece. So for example, for this next one, we would round 3,076. And it's pretty close to 3,000. And if I multiply that mentally by 8, my answer would be 24,000. And so in their mind, they're just checking to see if their answer is reasonable. One of the things I know students struggle with is they don't know their math facts. If that's the case, they do have a math multiplication chart inside the black and white little notebook that they picked up from school. If you can't find that, I can also get you somehow a multiplication chart. I don't want facts to become the reason that students don't do the math or don't do it correctly. Right now, it's about the process. So hopefully this video has helped. Next week, we will be doing 2 digit by 2 digit, which is even a little bit different and a little bit more confusing. So see you then.